We've just acquired this really high specification Mercedes E-Class diesel AMG Sport Estate. As you can see, it's finished in grey metallic with front and rear park distance control, unmarked, diamond cut alloy wheels, absolutely unblemished, panoramic sunroof, getting rear park distance control, AMG body styling, so you've got the rear diffuser with the twin exhaust. It's got an electric opening tailgate. Boot area's been kept in lovely condition. No signs of any dogs or anything in there. Got the AMG style half leather Alcantara interior. Twin opening panoramic roof there. Got the sun protection blinds, rear privacy glass, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors this car has. There you go. Car's done 93,935 miles. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox, factory fitted satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats. We've got Bluetooth, full media pack, park distance control with the sensors there, auto headlights, at DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information or to arrange a viewing, please call us on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.